Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that's perfect for enhancing your live streaming experience, especially if you're involved in church services or community events. We found the KC800 multi-camera video switcher in PTZ camera controller console bundle, and we've included a link in the description so you can check out the latest price and availability. The KC800 is a versatile live streaming kit designed to elevate your video production quality. It combines a multi-camera video switcher with an advanced PTZ camera controller, making it an excellent choice for churches and organizations looking to broadcast their services or events seamlessly. One of the standout features of the KC800 is its RGB 24-bit true color technology. This lets you stream and record in true 24-bit RGB color, delivering an impressive 16.7 million hues. This means you get cinema-grade accuracy, ensuring your visuals remain vibrant and distortion-free, even when dealing with HDR content. With HDMI 4K RGB 24-bit loop and PGM output, the kit guarantees stunning picture quality for your live streams and recordings. The extensive interface selection is another reason why the KC800 stands out. It offers 4 4K HDMI inputs and 3 HDMI outputs, including a 4K loop-through, a MVR output, and a PGM output. Plus, with UVC plug-and-play capabilities and multiple audio input options such as 2 XLR inputs and 2 mic/line inputs, you're equipped for various audio scenarios, whether you're capturing speeches, music, or other live performances. The professional-grade 6-channel audio mixer is a game-changer. With its real-time mixing capabilities, adjustable volume knobs for each channel, and AFE mode, you can achieve the perfect sound balance during your live events. This flexibility is particularly beneficial for churches, weddings, and corporate events, where audio quality is paramount. Multi-platform live streaming is another major highlight of the KC800. You can simultaneously stream to 3 platforms, along with 1 UVC feed, making it compatible with popular services like YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch. The customizable bitrate settings allow you to adapt to network conditions, ensuring a reliable broadcast every time.